Question 9 asks us to find the equation of the line containing the points 1, 3 and 5, 15. You might recall that there are two different equations for a line, and both equations will work, so whichever one you pick is really a matter of preference. The first equation is called Slope-Intercept Form, and it's given by y equals mx plus b. The other equation is called Point-Slope Form, and it's given by y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Notice that regardless of which formula you choose, you have to calculate the value of m. Well, m represents the slope of the line, and the slope of any line can be calculated with the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Using the coordinates from the question, we can say that the slope should be equal to 15 minus 3 over 5 minus 1. And this simplifies to 12 over 4, which is 3. So now we know the slope of our line is 3. If we go for slope-intercept form on the left, we can write y equals 3x plus b, but we still don't know the value of b. If we use point-slope form on the right, we have y minus y1 equals 3 times x minus x1. Let's keep going with the right option for now. y1 and x1 represent the y and x coordinates of any point on the line. We can say, for instance, using the point 1, 3, y minus 3 equals 3 times x minus 1. If we simplify this a little bit, we get y minus 3 equals 3x minus 3. And then, adding 3 to both sides, we see that the 3's cancel out, and the equation is y equals 3x. Now if we take a look at the left option, there's this pesky b value that we don't have yet. You might recall that b is the y-intercept of a line, but neither of the coordinate points given to us in the problem is a y-intercept. So how are we supposed to find the value of b? Well, one way to do it is to say to yourself, if 1, 3 is a point on the line, then when x is equal to 1, y must be equal to 3. Taking those values and plugging them in for the variables, you get 3 equals 3 times 1 plus b. And now we only have one variable in our equation, b, so we can solve for it. Subtracting 3 on both sides, we see that the value of b is 0. And so the full equation should be y equals 3x plus 0, but we tend not to write that.